friends, today I'm going to discuss about the lambda expression in C#.NET. So what the lambda expression? So it is a convenient way of defining anonymous unnamed function. And here it has two forms. First is expression lambda and here input parameter, and here this is lambda operator, and next is expression. And here next is the second form, a statement lambda. It has input parameter, and here this is the lambda operator, and here sequence of statement. So let's understand by example. So and here there is a one predefined function at here func. So if you take the cursor onto func, so at here it encapsulates a method that has one parameter and return value to the type specified by the t result. Okay, so at here t is integer and here t result is integer. So since I've passed at here integer iterator, and here the name is fun, and here so this part is at here input parameter, here lambda operator, and here this is the expression. So at here fun, and here pass the value 5. So at here that receive 5, and here this is the operator, and here 5 into 5. So expression at here 5 into 5, so it comes at here 25. So this value is now that display 25. Let's execute and check the output. Here 25, it's a display. Like this, if you include and here inside expression one more I. So if I include one more I, so at here 5 into 5, 25, and 125, that display. So at here this is the input value that I passed 5. Here operator, and here this is the expression part. Now execute and check the output. So this time that the output display at here 125. So here you can see at here 125 that will display. So 125 it's a display. Now let's check other example of lambda expression. So first I'm going to make that at here comment, and here on commenting this part. So here I used func. Now here after this point I've taken integer array type variable n, and here this time I passed 2, 3, 4, and here var v1 and here n. So n and here this is the integer array type variable n, and here by using if you press dot here, let's use that here. If you press dot here you can see it's a coming operand, and here you can find and here select statement 2. So if you take the cursor on select statement, so here you get at here project each element sequence into new form. So at here you get this thing, and here you can find rank, mean, others also. Now here before you're using at here select statement, you need to add at here one namespace called linq. So if I comment this part here, definitely I get the error because at here int array does not contain definition of select. So this kind of error message. Now click on show potential here. So here you get, here you need to add at here system.link space, link namespace. So it's added. Now here the error out. So add here using this time add here select, and here select lambda expression, and here I, this is the input parameter, and here lambda operator, and here I into I. So I value at here, so I that receive at here first time 2 into 2, the value come 4, 3 into 3 9, 4 into 4 16, and here that all value go to v1, and here one by one that display at here v1 value, and here since v1 is the object type, and here by using string.joins it's converted into a string. Now execute and check the output. At here you can see the output, it's displaying 4, 9 and 16. So at here 2 into 2, 4, 3 into 3, 9, 4 into 4, 16, it's a display. Now hereafter let's see other example using lambda expression. So first I'm going to make that at here comment, and here on commenting this part. So I used this time select. Now here I'm using count. So at here I've taken integer array type variable s, and here 19, 27 and 8, and here this time using lambda expression where. So here you can see a filter sequence of values based on the predicate. So this is the use of there, and here after integer type variable I have taken cnt as. So age has the 19, 20 and 7 value, and here by using this where we can do the filtering. So this is input parameter, and here lambda operator, and here this is the expression. So first time at here n value 19, and here 19 greater than 18 condition is true, so it count 1. Or that is at here 27 lambda operator 27 greater than 18, so at here it increase count again 1. So it become at here 2. Now hereafter 8, and here 8 greater than 18, so it's not true, so it's not going to increase. So if you take the cursor on count, so at here you get return the number of elements in a sequence. So this is at your second form, input parameter, sequence of a statement, it's there. Now here after it get at here 2. So here the output it's displaying CNT value. So CNT value at here it becomes 2. So 2 people as greater than 18 it will display. Okay, now here after execute and check the output. Now hereafter let's check last example of using lambda expression. So first I'm going to make that comment, and hereafter let's uncomment of this part. And here you can see this time I've taken list integer tab, and here L1 is the object by using new list, and here passed 1 2 3 4 5. Now hereafter list int object, this time int, and here L find out. So this time I'm using at your lambda expression or function find out. So if you take the cursor on find out, so it retrieve all the elements of the match condition defined by the specified predicate. So this is at here. Now this part is at your input parameter. Here you can see this is the parameter, input parameter, and here if you take the cursor lambda expression, and here after this is at here about this one. So this is at your expression. So at your 1 mod 2 it not equal to 0. So here, so 2 and 4 it divide modulus resistor 0. So at your 2 and 4 that go to at your n, and here n value is not 2 and 4. So 1 by 1 go to n1, and here that display 2 and 4. Here the output. And here I'm getting the output 2 and 4. So because of this match with this condition. So this is at your few lambda expression function that I used find out here, where, select, and your form. So this is the basic syntax of lambda expression input parameter. So here you passed input, here lambda expression, lambda operator, and here next is expression, and here you can in second form here sequence of statement. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.